What's going on, everyone? Peterson Outdoor Films coming back with another episode. I am on the ice. It is not even 6 o'clock. It is extremely cold. We went from warm weathers and rain a week ago and everything to now it is negative 14 with the wind chill. This is going to be interesting. Before this even starts, hit the thumbs up for your boy, because this is going to be crazy. I'm going to attempt to run tip down, so I'm going to play goalie on the holes, basically trying to keep them open because it is freezing. But we're going to go for it. Going to try for crappies and perch, or see what happens. Going to run rosy reds on tip downs again. I bought two new innovative tip downs. Never used them in my life. I'm going to try them. Heard great things about them. Seen guys with them. Been guys that are haven't been around them. I'm familiar with them. I've just never owned any. So bought two, because if you watch my one video, you know I said that the one is now in the bottom of the lake somewhere with a northern swimming around with it, which is really wonderful. So back up in the game in that area, making the game I should say. But anyways, it is cold, if I didn't say that, and it is very, very windy. But stay tuned. We are fishing. We are going for it. Doing this for me and doing it for you guys. So rosy reds on tip downs. Gonna attempt it. It is gonna be brutally cold out. So stay tuned. Here we go. All right, folks, we got action. Oh, going back up. Oh, folks, I got 3 tip downs in. It is freezing out. I'm gonna have to try and keep these holes open constantly. Just getting these 3 set was a struggle, but we're going for it. So we'll see what happens. This one over here was already going down. I'm not quite sure what happened, but the holes are gonna keep freezing up so fast. So I guess I'm gonna be playing goaltending on these 3 holes, but we're gonna try it. Crazy, but can be fun and effective. Just because it's cold, the fish are still down there, so hopefully we can get something here. Wow, that wind is brutal. Here we go, folks. Tip down right here. Come on. Fish on. Oh yeah, this feels like a good one. This feels like a good fish. Sorry, folks, I do not have a lot of film. I have 3 crappies already. What do we got? Oh, little walleye. Little Walter. Boy, you hit that thing hard and fast. It is so windy and so cold out here. But we got a little walleye. So look at that, folks. Little walleye. It's a little healthy walleye. We'll let him go. Brutal conditions by yourself and trying to film in this. It's ruthless, folks. This hole started as an 8-inch and now I'm getting down to about a 6. Alright, folks, so it is about 10:45. Slowed down. I did catch 4 crappies this morning. 3 decent ones, 2 really nice ones, and a small walleye. Slowed down. I am going to move to a different body of water where I know there's another basin. And I'm going to see how that fares out. There's a lot of crappies in there too, and I did a video with a guy earlier this year on that lake. And I'm going to take a drive over there and see if anybody's driving out there or not. And see if I can't go to that basin and maybe tune into some crappies. They might be a little more condensed or whatever you want together, possibly. But I'm going to cruise over there. Stay tuned. I did not get those other catches on film It's hard to explain. It was chaos for a minute there. Very windy and cold this morning. But I'm going to make a move and stay persistent. That is the key. So I will see you on the next body of water. Alright folks, so I'm on a different body of water here. Deep basin. It's about from 19 to 20 feet in here. I know there's crappies there. Actually was just getting things set up. I'm going to pull them all up. I got the depth set right. Going to get some rosy reds on here. The one hole marking a bunch of fish, even staggered in the column, even 2 feet, 3 feet off the bottom. I'm going to run the tip ups about a foot off the bottom. So hopefully we can get into some crappie action here. So stay tuned. Different body of water, make a move. Don't always stay in the same spot. I say it all the time. So hopefully we can get into them and let's see what happens. All right, folks, first tip down. Here we go. Oh, we got two of them going. There's a fish. There we go, hooked up. Look at that. Crappie. Nice. That one right there was just going to. There it goes right here, folks. Look at this. Might have a double here. Folks, it's going down. Check that out. Just got set up. We got a fish on already. Here's one. This one's holding. I think he's on there. I think I'm gonna go ahead and jump over here and try and take this fish, but it's a good start. Literally, I have been here 5 minutes. I just got these set up. Rosy reds rocking and rolling. Here we go. Stay tuned. It's holding steady. I think he's there. So my suspicion was correct. That deep basin crappies. We're gonna get on them. I think this is gonna fire. This is midday too. Moved a new body of water. Check that out. Slab on the ice within 5 minutes of having these set up. Such an effective tool. So stay tuned. Hopefully we can get into some more action here. I have 3 from this morning. Apologize, I did not get that on film. I have a small walleye that I caught, but I got a feeling this is gonna get interesting. So let's get into them, folks. Yeah. tip down. Get one. Fish on. Fish on, folks. Oh, what do we got? Oh, like a nice fish. It's my first fish on the innovative tip down. Nice crappie. There we go. Perfect. First fish on my innovative tip down. Just bought them. We got one. Look at that, folks. Crappies. That's what I'm talking about. Crappies. It's the first fish on my brand new innovative tip downs. So sweet. Let's keep on rolling. It's getting to that time of the evening. Hopefully things start popping off. I'll be playing goaltending, cleaning these holes out because it's so cold. So I'm gonna take care of this fish, get this reset, and keep on going. Crappies, yeah! Well, as you can see in this video, folks, not the most successful, but we did a good time. It was extremely tough. The conditions were really windy, very cold. In the morning, it was 14 below. I was literally playing goaltender on the holes, trying to do tip downs, and plus, my truck was there, thank God, for heat. But it was tough. Did catch some crappies, had a great time. It's fishing. It's the way it is. But stayed on them, stayed persistent, and jump between two different bodies of water. I did not stay on one lake. I caught a couple there, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to make a move. I know there's another basin that I can jump to. Jump there, ended up picking up, I think, 2 more crappies. But you know what? It was a good day. For me, I mean, by myself, solo fishing, it was tough. And camera, everything in the morning, it got confusion. Like I said, forgive me. The crappies I caught in the morning, it was a mess. The holes were frozen over. The tip downs were standing up. And then I'd go to pull them up, and there's a fish on there. So that's why it's not on film. So, forgive me for that, but it was still a good day. Ended up catching some crappies, had a good time, but we will keep it real always. Bring you another episode and another video soon from Peterson Outdoor Films. Always thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, subscribe, hit the thumbs up, check us out on Instagram. We'll have another one coming to you soon real fast.